birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to
Thank you so much. God bless us. Thank you. Thank you, Kaayo.
Sige. Ha? Yan, you stay here lang, Branda. Okay, so let's grab the time, no? Matthew 24. Uma naman ta sa 23. Mag-series man yung chapter. So, mayroon chapter 24 sa Matthew. Kisay na ay idea unsa na nga topic sa Matthew 24. Last days. Last days. Okay.
So the days.
Signalin lang ko kung atong oras na dapat mamantag 3 o'clock. 3 o'clock ma'am. Okay ra?
Okay.
Sige. Sige. Dahil Jo, ikaw sugod, basa. Verse 1.
Okay. Matthew 24, verse 1. As Jesus was leaving the temple grounds, his disciples pointed out to him the various temple buildings.
Ikaw ba sa Gigi? Tata.
Sa Matthew.
Matthew 24.
24. Matthew 24, 1. Up to na.
Verse 2.
And Jesus said unto them, Say all, review not all things. Verily I say it unto you, there shall not be left here one stone upon another, that shall not be thrown down.
As he sat on the mount of